Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to discuss about electricity of the topic combination of resistors or resistances. At first I would like to define combination of resistors or resistances. Resistors are also said to be resistances. About definition of combination of resistance can be stated as to obtain required amount of electric current. Just try to understand. To obtain required amount of electric current and voltage. And voltage means PD. Two or more resistors are connected in different ways. Each termed as combination of resistance. Just try to understand. To obtain required amount of electric current, and voltage, different resistors are combined in different ways. This is known as combination of resistors. Today we have to discuss two types of combination of resistors: the series combination of resistors and parallel combination of resistors. We are going to discuss turn-wise. At first, I would like to discuss series combination of resistors. Now we are going to discuss about the series combination of resistance. At first, I would like to define series combination of resistors. Just try to understand when two or more resistors or resistances or conductors connected end to end in the electric circuit, then such connection is said to be combination of resistors in series. In series combination, just try to understand. In series combinations, resistors are connected end to end so that same amount of electric current may pass through each of them. It's very interesting that in series combination of resistors, same amount of electric current passes through it. Just try to see the diagram. Here are three resistors, R1, R2 and R3. These three resistors are connected end to end. B2 connected with C, C2 connected with D. So these connections are said to be end to end connection. In this electric circuit, these three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected end to end. And you can see here, same amount of electric current I passes through R1, also through R2 and R3. So it is clear that in series combination of resistors, the electric current passes through it. Each of the resistors contains same amount of electric current. Students, now we are going to have expression for equivalent resistance when resistors are connected in series combination. At first, see the diagram. Here are three resistors, R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series combination, such that the same amount of current I passes through R1, I also passes through R2 and I passes through R3. These resistors are connected end to end. See here, end to end. B is connected to C is connected to D. According to the definition of series combination, same amount of current I passes through each of the resistors R1, R2 and R3. But interestingly, you should notice here, the potential difference PD is not the same for these three resistors. The potential difference of R1 be V1, R2 be V2 and R3 be V3. So the potential difference in series combinations are different for different resistors. You must understand, in series combination, the current will remain the same for each of the resistors, but the potential difference does not remain the same for each of the resistors. As you know, the total potential difference is V. See here, the total potential difference of the electric circuit is V. So, if you are going to add V1, V2 and V3, V1, V2, V3, you will get resultant potential difference V. It means the sum of these all three V1, V2 and V3 will get, you can replace it by V. Now, let's see here the expression for equivalent resistance when connected in series. Let three resistors R1, R2 and R3 be connected in series combination such that the amount of current I passes through each of the conductor. Now, according to Ohm's law, we know V1 is equal to I R1. We know according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So, we are going to have V1. We are talking about R1 only. So, V will be equal to IR. So, V1 is equal to I R1. V2, we just try to understand these things. V2 will be equal to I R2. And now we are going to have an expression for R3, that is V3 equal to I R3. Just try to understand, for each and every resistance the current remains the same as I and I, but potential difference varies V1, V2 and V2. Now we are going to add it. Adding V1 plus V2 plus V3, that is I R1 plus I R2 plus I R3. So this can be replaced, V1 plus V2 plus V3 equal to V. This can be replaced as V, and I is common. So R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now V equal to, V can be replaced according to Ohm's law. See here, this is the Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, V can be replaced by IR. So this can be replaced by IR. So I R1 plus R2 plus R3. So I and I cancelled, and R will be equal to R1 plus R2 and R3. We just understand here, the final result is R. This R is said to be equivalent resistance or resultant resistance. So in series combination, the resultant resistance or the equivalent resistance is equal to the sum of all the resistors connected in the electric circuit. Students, thank you and thank you very much.